Hello, my friends. I am happy you are here tonight. Take a slow breath. Imagine you are sitting near a warm fire. Outside, the world is loud and busy, but here it is quiet and safe. Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror? Maybe you put a little color on your lips. Maybe you cover a small spot on your skin. Or maybe you look at your face and think, who am I today? Many people think makeup is new. They think of shops, bottles, and social media. But the story of makeup is very old. It is not about vanity, it is about being human. Long, long ago, people used color on their faces. They used it to feel strong. They used it to talk to their gods. They used it to feel safe. Let us travel back in time. We go to ancient Egypt more than 5,000 years ago. In Egypt, everyone used makeup, men and women, rich and poor. They believed beauty was close to the gods. They used black powder around their eyes. It was called kohl. Kohl made their eyes strong in the bright sun. It kept insects away. It helped their eyes stay healthy. So makeup was not only beauty, it was also protection. In another place, called Mesopotamia, people used color on their lips. They crushed small stones to make them shine. Only rich people could do this. Makeup showed power and spirit. Now we go to ancient Greece. The Greeks liked natural beauty. Too much makeup was not good. Women used honey on their skin. They used berries to make their cheeks red. Very simple, very soft. Then came Rome. In Rome, white skin was popular. White skin showed you were rich. People used white powder made from lead, but lead was dangerous. It made people sick. They did not know this then. People suffered to look beautiful. In the Middle Ages, the church was strong. Makeup was seen as bad. Women stopped using color. A plain face was called pure. Later, the Renaissance came. Art and beauty returned. Queen Elizabeth I wore white powder and red cheeks. People wanted to look perfect. But again, lead hurt their skin. In the 1700s, people used a lot of makeup. Big hair, white faces, bright colors. Even men wore makeup. Then Queen Victoria said makeup was wrong. For many years, women hid their beauty tricks. In the 1900s, everything changed. Movies were born. Women saw movie stars on big screens. They wanted to look the same. Makeup became easy to buy. It became part of daily life. In the 1920s, young women wore dark eyes and red lips. They wanted freedom. In the 1950s, beauty was soft and glamorous. In the 1960s, colors were bright and fun. In the 1970s, makeup showed rebellion. Today, makeup has no rules. Men and women use it. All skin colors are celebrated. Some people wear none at all. Makeup is now art. It is a way to express who you are. And here is the truth, my friends. Makeup does not make you beautiful. You are already beautiful. Makeup is just a tool, like a brush for a painter. Your face tells your story. Every smile, every line, every choice. You are part of a long human story. Beauty changes with time, but your true beauty comes from who you are inside. If you enjoy slow English stories like this, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and listen again tomorrow. We learn English calmly, one step at a time.